Hey, this is Bobby from Bobby's Jamaican Cooking, and today I'm going to cook some callaloo and saltfish for you the Jamaican way, authentic Jamaican way. Hey, guess what? I'm going to show you all the ingredients to put in this Jamaican callaloo cooking, right? So, hey, get your pen and pencil and write it down right now, okay? Okay. With your Jamaican callaloo, which is grown in Toronto, right? But this is Jamaican callaloo. It's not spinach. Remember, don't call it spinach, okay? So with this, to give it a nice, juicy Jamaican flavor, right? You have to have your onion, right? Put your onion in it, cut it up, you know, and I'll show you later on how you do that, right? Your nice thyme, we call it thyme, you know, Jamaican language, thyme, right? Or thyme, T-H-Y-M-E. Thyme is the Canadian, the English way, okay? T-H-Y-M-E, right? Okay? And then you have your Scotch bonnet pepper. Remember, this make it taste so nice, so flavorful, so nice and flavorful, right? You know, it's good to have it in there. Or if you don't want to use it, if it's a little bit too hot, you don't have to use this. You can just use your ordinary black pepper, right? You see, you can grind, but you're gonna grind it up, right? Remember, you're not gonna have it all grain, right? You know, you're gonna grind up your pepper a little bit, like, you know, exactly like this. A little bit of pepper like this, grind it up like that, okay? You see? All right? And, you know, to add with that, to give it more flavor, you have your garlic, right? This is good, nice garlic. Did you see how small they are? You know, this Jamaican style garlic, okay? Jamaican style garlic, okay? No other authentic garlic like Jamaican style garlic, okay? And if you can put some salt in it if it's to taste, right? After you boil your saltfish, in Jamaica we call it saltfish, but over in the English world they call it codfish. But this is real saltfish, real authentic Newfoundland saltfish, okay? Remember that. Good saltfish. So, you know, but you must boil it first, okay? Remember to boil it first to take out some of the salt out of it, okay? All right? Well, I'm gonna show you how to put this callaloo together, this Jamaican callaloo together, so you can have a nice, luscious callaloo to eat Jamaican style. First, remember when I told you about the saltfish, we have to, we cook it first. So we get this, we got all of this stuff now. My hands are clean anyway, you know. So we get the finishing product like that, right? So you have to wash the callaloo. Remember, you have to wash it. First of all, you have to make sure you soak it in salt water, and then you wash it, rinse it, wash it properly, because you don't want any bug or anything in it when you're cutting it up or when you're eating it, okay? So you have to make sure it's washed. Please do not put it in the pot without washing it, okay? Okay, so we're gonna cut up the callaloo now so that it can cook properly and be small. We don't cook it, we don't put it in the pot like this, okay? You don't do that. You cut it up small in small bits, right? So usually what I do, I put some together which I can manage, right? So what I do, I have a cutting board, okay? And I put it on the cutting board like this, and I start to cut it. I cut it very small, right? You see? Very small. Watch your fingers, right? Very small, I'm cutting it, right? Then you get it small, and you have to cut up everything this small, okay? Like that, right? Look at it. You know, see, I'm cutting it up small, right? I'm just showing you. And you have to do almost everything, all of it like this until it's finished, right? You don't put it in a blender and chop it up. You have to cut it up with your knife, okay? And that's the way we do it in Jamaica, right? Right? We cut it up small. Look, you know, you make sure you cut it up, right? Look at it. Cut it up small. Everything is cut up, because when you're ready to cook it and eat it, it's nice and small, not big and junky, okay? And remember, you have these little pieces, right? Cut this up small also, okay? Like you do it like this, you just cut it up small, okay? Very small, right? Don't leave it in the pot, just cut it up small like. You can cut some more, you continue cutting it until everything is finished, okay? Nothing is left. Okay, so for this callaloo, this Jamaican callaloo, right? We're gonna put the ingredients inside of it that gonna make it taste really, really good Jamaican way, not the Canadian way. Okay. So first of all, you can put your onion in it. So we're gonna cut up the onion. Okay. You don't have to cut it up too small, but you just cut it up. You know, whichever way you want. So you know, like I'm just cutting it up like this. You know, just a little bit. You know, you cut it up. Okay. Cut up your onion, and then you just take up your onion, right? And you just sprinkle it inside there, just put it down, okay? All your onion, okay? And then you know the Jamaican thyme, right? THYME, but we call it Jamaican thyme, right? Smell, it smells so good, right? So we just put it inside of it too, because we're seasoning up this callaloo now, you know, the Jamaican way, right? You put in that, okay? Guess what now? So the garlic now, you know, sometimes in Jamaica, we usually beat the garlic like this, right? You can do like this, beat the garlic like this, right? And you see how it mashed out, right? So we put it in, right? Or you can cut it up if you want. You can do that, right? Cut it up small, right? Look, that's your garlic, right? We just cut it up small. But when back home in Jamaica, we just turn the knife and we just beat it up. We just beat it out, right? And it gets soft, right? Look. And then we just take it up like this, you see? And then just sprinkle it inside of the pot. With the Scotch bonnet, right? I'm gonna put some Scotch bonnet in it for taste, right? Do not put the seed in the callaloo, or else you can't eat it. It's too hot. So with the Scotch bonnet, I'm just gonna cut off a little bit of it like this. Look, see? See the seed inside there? You don't want to put the seed inside there. Okay, just cut off a little bit, cut it off, and this is for taste. Just give it flavor, good flavor, right? Make sure you don't put your hands in your eyes, okay, or it's gonna burn, right? So you just put the pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper in it. I'm using this because I don't want to use, guess what? I don't want to use black pepper, right? I just want to put this give it natural flavor. Very good. There's not much salt in it, okay? So what I do with my saltfish, right? You can cut it up on the board, or you can use what we do back home in Jamaica. We just use our hand and just do it like this. Look, see that? Just disseminate it up, man. Make it, get it all fine and everything, right? Instead of using the knife, you know, just do like this, right? And remember, my hands are clean, okay? After you do that, you season it up with all your ingredients inside of it. You cover it and you put it on the stove to boil, to steam, not boil. You don't put no water into it because it's gonna build up its own water. This is gonna build up its own water, okay? So you put it there for about, I would say about 25 minutes, roughly about 25 minutes. Guess what? Because we have done this in the evening, I've left it for the morning to cook it for breakfast, okay? So it's a little bit, you know, settled inside the pot, right? Okay, and you might notice the lighting is a little bit different, right? So I'm gonna cook it now for breakfast. So usually you can put some butter in it if you want, or you can put some olive oil, you know, in it if you want, right? But not right now. I'm not gonna put none of those stuff in it. I'm just gonna steam it down on the stove. But guess what now? In Jamaica, we use coconut oil, right? Real Jamaican coconut oil in this stuff here, which give it that lumptious, sumptuous taste, okay? So we're gonna put it now, we're gonna steam it for 25 minutes, and then we're gonna get back to you and show you the finished product. So now we're gonna put it on the stove, right? And basically we're gonna turn it down to about medium heat, okay? You know, about medium heat for it, and leave it there for 25 minutes. And for that 25 minutes, it's gonna steam and shrink. So we'll take you back in another 25 minutes. Welcome back to Bobby's Jamaican Cooking. Now I'm gonna show you the finished product of the callaloo, right? It's look at it. It's shrink. Look at the steam coming out. Oh my goodness! It's shrink all the way down. Remember, a full pot. Boy, look at it now. And it's all finished. Let me show you some stuff here. Look here. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. That's the finished product. And then guess what now? You can put this, you can eat this with bread, you can eat this with rice, white rice, you can eat this with anything, you can even eat this by itself. It's really good for you, okay? Well, I'm gonna eat some of this callaloo, this Jamaican callaloo, and show you, hey, guess what? Guess what? It's got the saltfish in it, you know, mix up, and it's seasoned and everything. And you know, to add a little bit more flavor, I'm gonna put some braised pepper, you know, hot pepper sauce, right? So, you know, I know it's a lot of pepper, right? And we Jamaican love pepper, you know, okay? We Jamaican love a lot of pepper. Look at it. Look at it. I'm just gonna put some of this salty something and callaloo in there, and I'm gonna eat it. This is so good. This is so good, so good, so good. Tasty with pepper and everything. Look at it. Oh my goodness. So good, so good.